Baby, I look good, I look handsome.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Maddie. You're back in another motherfucking video. So today we are recreating Look by Beats by Deb. I'm gonna show a picture of what I'm gonna be recreating. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below what you want to see in the comment section. So if you've been watching my videos for a while now, you already know we're gonna start with the brows and get these snatched. Wait real quick, we finna see how snatched I get. Okay, so now that we got these bomb brows, we finna conceal our eyelids. So she had blue eyebrows, but I forgot. So we just gonna start with the eyes. So she going with a dark blue or like navy blue. So I'm gonna just get that, dab it in there, and start it up. Then she go in with a lighter blue on the outside, and then she blended in with the blue. Okay, y'all. Then she go in with a blue glitter blue, whatever, and she put it in the inner part. And then I'm gonna go in with another little layer. Might just mix. See, I got this, and then white, a little bit of white. And then I'm gonna get some more glitter just to top it off. Some glitter primer thing. I just use it for glue. That's the glue. Then I'm gonna go in with the mascara. and then we finna put the lashes on, so I'll be back. Okay, y'all, finishing touches. So I took off my lip gloss I already had on, and we're gonna go in with the dark brown lip liner. Then, you know, lip gloss, best combo, period. And then some more extra touches is, you know the drill. It's alright. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And comment down below what you want to see in the comment section. Peace. We're gonna take some pictures, of course, but